Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed and I'm going to discuss today uh, topic fraction. In this topic, I'm going to discuss what is a fraction, what types of fractions, and also how to solve a fraction. So first of all, I need to discuss about what is a fraction. Basically, fraction is a part of whole. So in this case, if I say you have one garlic bread, okay, and you finish half of the garlic bread, so it means the fraction for this garlic bread is coming 1 over 2, okay, so it means this is 1 over 2. So it means I finish half garlic bread and the remaining half is 1 over 2. In fraction, there are two terms we use. On the upper part, we can say numerator, okay? And the second part, which is the lower part of fraction, is called denominator. So denominator represents the whole parts of a garlic bread, okay? But the upper part is giving information about how many parts are left and how many you have finished. So for example, I finish half garlic bread. So it means half of the garlic bread is remaining. So this is called a fraction. So I need to discuss there are three types of fractions. Okay. So first is proper fraction, second one is improper fraction, and the third one is mixed number. So proper fractions are those fractions which numerator values is lower than denominator. So lower than denominator. So it means always remember, if a fraction it has a numerator lower than denominator is called proper fraction. The second type of the fraction is called improper fractions. Improper fractions is the opposite of proper fractions. So it means denominator value always lower than numerator. And the last types of fraction is called mixed number. The mixed number is that kind of fractions where you are combining with a whole number with a fraction is called mixed fraction. For example, there is 2 garlic bread we ordered, okay? So this garlic bread, I finish this garlic bread and also finish half of this garlic bread. So it means I finish one complete garlic bread and also I finish half of the second one. So it means I can write down like 1 plus and half. So it means you can write down one whole number 1 over 2, which is called mixed number. So if anybody asks about what is a fraction, so fractions means, just part of a whole, okay? Any job, okay, which depends on the number of other jobs, okay, or any things, okay. For example, okay, I'm giving a box, okay, it has 12 small boxes inside, okay, and I finished, okay, first 4 jobs out of 12. So it means this is a whole job, okay, which has 12 small jobs, okay, and I finish 4 out of 12. So the remaining jobs are 8 over 12. So how we represent in fractions? So simply, okay, the job you done, you need to write as the numerator and how many total number of jobs, so you need to write as the denominator. Always remember, this is the key word, okay? What key number, okay? Because denominator represent total parts or portion, okay? So denominator is showing total number of parts or portions, although the numerator represents a number which you have done or which you need to do in future. So basically this is called a fraction. So hopefully in the example we are going to discuss how to add and subtract fraction. So I'm going to discuss addition and subtraction of fraction in my next video, and please don't forget to leave your feedback, okay?